So this is P, and I'm just finished combing her hair. P, you have so much hair. Do you know that? Yes, you do. Okay, hold on. I'll put that back on. Just want to show, like when I wet it, like when I was giving her a bath. Let me see if I can show you. Here, P.
Yeah.
Look, yeah. Look at that. So much hair. See how? So it goes down to your shoulder, even a bit down past your shoulder to here. Eh? See how brushing this, it just kind of curls back up. See, I might have to add some water for this. But anyways, yeah, P, your hair is so nice and bushy. Here, look. Hi. Okay, I'm gonna put your little curly thing back on. Okay?
Purple one.
You want 2 purple ones?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll put 2 of them for you, okay? Bye. You just woke up also.